is what we use. Okay, we got a sauce, some sausages. Okay, and then the shells, small shells, pasta, and then an onion. Okay. Our pasta is almost ready. And we have our onion and the sausage ready. Now, make sure don't cook the sauce. You don't want to cook the sauce. Just add it. Let it sit there for a few minutes. All you got to do is warm up the sauce. You don't necessarily have to cook it. There you go.